StudyMojo.com.
Next is a question based on this theorem. We are going to do a problem based on this theorem. The question is, in the given figure, the line segment XY is parallel to side AC. XY parallel to AC. Parallel to AC. In the given figure, the line segment is parallel to side AC of triangle ABC and it divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. Find the ratio AX by AB. We have to find the ratio AX by AB. The figure is this is triangle ABC and this is XY. This is the figure. It is given that XY is parallel to AC. This line segment XY is parallel to this line segment AC. Now we are considering triangle ABC and triangle BXY. Consider triangle ABC and triangle XBY. In these two triangles, since these two lines are parallel, this angle and this angle will be equal. Angle BAC is equal to angle BXY. Reason, one pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Again, angle ABC. This angle ABC is equal to angle XBY is also the same angle XBY. The reason is common angle. The angle ABC and XBY is the same angle, therefore the reason is common angle. This is enough for proving that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to XBY. Therefore, ABC is similar to triangle XBY. The reason is by A similarity criterion. By A similarity criterion. A similarity criterion. Therefore, the ratio of the corresponding sides of the two triangles will be equal. Now, therefore, AB by XB, the whole AB by XB or XB by AB will be equal to AB by XB. AB, XB. These are the two sides. Therefore, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XBY will be equal to AB divided by XB the whole square. Again, it is given in the question that the line segment XY is dividing triangle ABC into two equal parts. That means area of triangle ABC will be equal to 2 into area of triangle XBY. Since line segment XY divides triangle ABC into two parts of equal area. Two parts of equal area. Area of triangle ABC will be equal to twice 2 into area of triangle XBY. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XBY is equal to 2 by 1, which is equal to AB by XB the whole square. Therefore, from this we can find AB by XB. Therefore, AB by XB will be equal to. Therefore, AB by XB will be equal to square root of AB by XB is equal to the whole square is equal to 2 by 1. AB by XB is equal to root of 2 by 1, which is equal to root 2 by 1. Therefore, XB by AB is equal to XB by AB is equal to 1 by root 2. But we have to find out the value of the ratio AX by AB. Therefore, 1 minus XB by AB will be equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. It is AB minus XB divided by AB. Taking the LCM and cross multiplying, we are getting it is root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. In the figure, from the figure we can find AB minus XB. AB minus XB is equal to AX. That is AX divided by AB. AX divided by AB is equal to AX divided by AB is equal to root 2 into root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 into root 2. We are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by root 2 for the rationalization of the denominator. This is equal to root 2 into root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 2. We can write one more step as AX by AB. AX by AB is equal to root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 2 minus root 2 into 1, which is equal to root 2. The whole divided by 2 is the value. AX by AB is equal to root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 2, and root 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus root 2. The whole divided by 2 is the answer. 2 minus root 2 divided by 2 is the value of the ratio of the side AX by AB.